Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nadia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this little purple halo eye. I use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and if you want to see how I got this look and how you can get this look too, then just keep on watching. To start off, why don't we go into the shade, this one right here, it's called Desert Sand. It's just a nice creamy color. You can find this literally anywhere, and I'm just going to put this in the crease. Now I'm going to go in with a slightly smaller brush and pick up the shade Blazing right here. It's like a nice orangey color. A lot of the tones in this palette are very red berry tones, but this one is like a true orange, so I really like that. I'm just going to go a little bit lower into the crease and under the lid. Now to deepen up the outer and inner corner, I'm going to go in with a pointed, larger pencil brush and pick up the shade Oud right here. It's like the darkest color in this palette. I don't feel like this palette goes deep enough. Like this is the darkest color, and it's good when you pack it on, but once you start blending it out, it sort of disappears. I don't really like that. And I'm gonna pack this into the inner corner as well, just a little bit. Okay, so I guess we're doing a halo eye. And that's pretty much the prep work that I need to do with the matte shade. I think I'm going to use the shade Amethyst. Right here, it's this bright purple color. I'm going to pack that on the lid, and then I'm going to put Twilight on top of it just to make an unusual color. So that's what that looks like just on my finger, and I'm going to pack that on. This is not quite a matte shade. It has a little bit of shimmer in it. So on top of that, I'm going to put the shade Twilight. I'm just going to pick that up with my finger as well and tap that on top. I feel like that dark brown got lost a little bit, so I'm going to pack that on again, the inner and outer corners. And I'm going to pick up Blaze with that same small blending brush and just buff around the edges. Okay, so there's the upper lid. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and then come back for the lower lash line. Okay, so here is the old face all done. Now we can go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. So I'm gonna take a really tiny pencil brush, just like this, and pick up the shade Blazing, and just take that all along my lower lash line. And using that same brush, I'm gonna take the dark brown shade Oud and mirror the top by putting it on the outer and inner corners. Now I'm just taking a clean blending brush and going over all of those edges. And finally, I'm going to take that shade that we used on the lid, this one right here, and just really carefully put that right on the lower lash line in the middle. And I don't really like any of the highlight shades in this palette for like an inner corner highlight, so I'm just going to take my highlighter that I use on my face and pop that in the inner corner. There is the finished look. I'm going to go pop on some lashes and mascara and then come back to show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, and here is the finished look, nice and up close. So I just added a little bit more of that Twilight shade just right underneath my lash line because I felt like I got lost when I did my mascara, but here is the finished eye look. And here is the look with a full face and everything like that. So this is the look that I came up with using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I really like it. I do wish that that Oud color had been a little bit more pigmented, but I've found that the mattes in this palette just tend to be a little bit lackluster. They're not as good as the shimmers, so I try to make up for it by using a really cool shimmer. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I hope that you'll stick around, check out my other videos, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.